Hi my friends, today we model this part. It is not simple at all. The name is chain wheel and it comes from Timoteo Carrera Soto. This is his drawing. There are some tricky features here and you will see them immediately. This part is taken from Timoteo Carrera Soto drawings and you can download it by watching the tutorial number 182. This is my drawing. You have to see that these centers are on the circle with the diameter of 175, and also these two centers are on the same circle. What means this circle? This is the pitch circle of the wheel. We consider this dimensions to create the general revolving volume. Start standard millimeters IPT, start 2D sketch, plane XY, and we start by creating a horizontal line of 140. We place its center on the center of our sketch, center point. This is the center point. This line is a center line, and we draw lines up, right, up, right, up, and keeping press the left button, this horizontal, this arc and this horizontal line. We place the midpoint of this horizontal line over on the same vertical with the center point. We draw another line here and split this because we want to make this construction. I also draw a construction line from this point to the center point. Then I mirror these entities about this axis. Extend this line to there. Now dimensions. This is 50. External is 230. This is 190. And this is with a diameter of 120. Lengths 140, 88, but firstly I place here the radius 7. This is 88. no, 100, and this is 88. We have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, revolve, and the first volume is created. Now we use this plane to create a new sketch. The sketch is based on that 175 circle. I draw a line between these 2 points. We all know that this is symmetrical about the vertical, and we apply the dimension of 36 between these 2 points. Then we draw a vertical line to somewhere here. We keep pressed the left button and we go here. Same to the right, we keep pressed the left button, we go up here and we close this contour. Then we place the 2 centers on these ends. Yes. Project external circle and apply tangent between these 2. And the radius of the circle, the arc, which is 29. These dimensions are in the drawing. I make this line a construction line. I can make this also construction line, but it is not necessary because it doesn't participate to this closed contour area. Instead of this, we make this construction. Now we see 1 dimension needed, and I suppose that there is a tangency. You see, here is not placed the constraint tangent between these 2 lines. Now we have fully constrained. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical 18, cut, OK. We take a look here and we apply a radius of 20 divided by 2 to both sides. OK. We select circular pattern as a tool, and these 2 features, then the axis with the number of 5 instead of 6. Okay. We saw these dimensions based on the diameter of 175, and now we focus on these 2 arcs which have their centers on the same circle, radius 9 and 15. We don't have a distance of 36, but we have this dimension. Let's see what to do. We use YZ plane for a new sketch, F7. We draw again that circle, but I want to use that value, so that I go to the tab Manage, FX Parameters, and we see here 175. This name is changed now in dia med, medium diameter. Done. We draw a circle, as I said, with the diameter dia med. You see, it is not red, it is black. Okay. I start with a line from outside to somewhere here. Then I go to the right by press the left button. I also press the left button, and I go to the circle with tangency. Then I project this line or this line, not important which. Both are now, no problem. And I draw a line. I hover on this one, any one of them, and I go to the line to outside, trying to catch the perpendicular constraint. You see, now it is. Trim this end line, this end line, place centers on the circle, both centers independently, then parallel, my friends, between these two. They are still tangent, and the radius of 9. What other dimension is needed? Tell me. This is not symmetrical with this. We draw a line, a vertical, this one, and we apply symmetry between these two lines about this plane. The last dimension is this, has the value of 15 divided by 2. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. This circle must be construction, and any line of this, for instance this one, and this is not a close contour. This line doesn't create a new contour, so that we are sure that we can consider this. I add an arc to be sure that we have our close contour. Finish sketch, extrude this, which is here, on a distance of 60 with cut symmetrical 60. Okay. We apply fillets of radius 9 and radius 7 inside this cut. Nine to both sides and plus 7 to the other both sides. Okay. And then circular pattern for 1, 2, 3 features about this axis, 5, not 6 instances. Next is this radius 30, which must be applied to both sides, and it is tangent here to the radius 7. Good. Let's do this. We use the plane XY for a new sketch. F7. Project this arc and this face. Arc from this point to this point, radius 30 and tangent to the left. Then I draw a small axis starting from this point to this point in order to mirror the arc about that axis. Apply. We connect the two ends up and two ends down. Finish sketch. Revolve. Inventor knows what is the profile and is waiting for the axis. The axis is X with cut. Okay. We apply also fillets of 7 to these 4 edges. Okay. And we apply circular pattern for this two, no, revolution not. Only fillet. About this axis 5 times. Okay. Last features are this radius 3, radius 3, radius 3 and radius 9. I select this edge, which is 9 to both sides, plus 3 for 1, 2, 3 on both sides. Okay. Let's see what is the volume. High properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the truth. The truth is with the third rank of the dimension, and this is why we keep the last value, because this is what we modeled today. We go to the part, we apply material, steel cast, we apply the color red, and view visual style shaded. Now we compare the two and we see that there are not or very small differences. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.